let's learn about the top 3 fruits you should consider eating in the morning to support kidney health and function. But before we dive into the specifics, it's important to understand why kidney health matters in the first place. The kidneys act as natural filters for the body. Each day, they process around 200 quarts of blood to remove waste and extra fluid. They also help regulate levels of key minerals like sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. Over time, conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes can impair kidney function. So keeping these vital organs healthy is crucial. One of the simplest ways you can keep your kidneys healthy is through the foods you eat. Choosing nutritious, antioxidant-rich foods may help reduce oxidative damage and inflammation, 2 key factors that affect kidney health. Considering that, let's learn about 3 fruits to consider adding to your breakfast to encourage kidney vitality. But why breakfast in particular? Well, as many experts say, breakfast is arguably the most important meal of the day. The reason is that breakfast breaks the fast that occurs while we sleep. So, after potentially 8 to 12 hours of not eating, refueling your body with a nutrient-rich breakfast helps jumpstart your metabolism and keeps your energy up through the morning. Moreover, studies show that starting your day with a nourishing, balanced breakfast leads to better focus and productivity, and even helps with weight management efforts. So, embracing breakfast rather than skipping it has comprehensive health benefits. With that, it's equally important to avoid eating unhealthy foods in breakfast. Of course, not all breakfasts are created equal. Many typical options like sugary cereals, donuts, and even bagels might give you blood sugar spikes rather than long-lasting nourishment. That's where the right fruits and veggies come in. They generally provide key micronutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants without unnecessary calories and fat. Studies show that diets higher in plant foods can significantly promote weight loss and support weight management. The high fiber content of whole fruits and veggies is another big factor. Fiber promotes feelings of fullness and helps manage blood sugar. Some findings even correlate higher fiber intakes with increased life expectancy. Furthermore, many studies connect diets higher in fruits and veggies with a lower risk of various diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. Now that we know fruits and vegetables should be key ingredients in any balanced breakfast, let's get into the fruits that may specifically assist your hardworking kidneys. Fruit number 1, apples. The famous saying, "an apple a day," seems to ring especially true for our kidney health. For starters, apples are high in antioxidants, with polyphenols making up a large percentage. Especially quercetin is an antioxidant flavonoid found abundantly in apples. Some animal studies show that quercetin may protect kidney cells from damage and preserve normal function. Some small-scale studies have also shown potential benefits for reducing certain markers of kidney damage in individuals with chronic kidney disease. More research is still needed, but these preliminary findings are encouraging. The high fiber content of apples is another major benefit. Fiber assists by binding to waste products and toxins, allowing them to exit the body more efficiently. This takes some pressure off the kidney's filtration duties. Some studies show that daily apple consumption is correlated with lower blood levels of creatinine, a waste product that healthy kidneys can filter but unhealthy kidneys can't. This is most likely due to the fiber and antioxidant content of apples. Speaking of fiber, apples are also rich in a special type of fiber called pectin. This kind of soluble fiber has been the subject of many studies focusing on insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, weight management, and high blood pressure, all of which are major risk factors for chronic kidney disease. In fact, a review of 43 studies showed that consuming 9 grams of pectin daily for 7 weeks reduced both systolic and diastolic blood pressure by an average of 3 to 4 units each. This effect was more pronounced in individuals with already high blood pressure. Another study in obese adults with high blood pressure found that consuming 10 grams of apple pectin daily for 12 weeks significantly reduced systolic blood pressure by 8.7 units compared to a placebo group. As for blood sugar management, one study shows that individuals consuming 10 grams of apple pectin daily for 3 months saw improvement in insulin sensitivity by 10 to 15% and lower average blood sugar by around 7 to 10%. Even healthy adults who combined 5 grams of apple pectin with a high carbohydrate meal showed a 23% reduction in blood sugar spikes and as much as 31% improvement in insulin response compared to a placebo. Overall, consuming apples in breakfast regularly can ensure that blood flow through those tiny filters within your kidneys can stay smooth. Plus, apple's high flavonoid content helps reduce inflammation and protect blood vessels, supplying blood to your kidneys, potentially preventing possible damage due to high blood sugar and leading to overall better kidney function. Roughly 1 small apple daily, equal to about 120 grams or 4 ounces, is considered a healthy goal. Fruit number 2, blueberries. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, a special subgroup of polyphenols, which give them their rich blue-purple pigment. These compounds possess strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation are often tied to kidney disease progression. So having foods that potentially counter these mechanisms can be extremely helpful. One small-scale human study found that consuming blueberry extract daily for 12 weeks reduced proteinuria by 10 to 15% and inflammation markers by 20 to 25% in individuals with chronic kidney disease. So integrating some blueberries into your morning meal could be an antioxidant-rich way to keep your kidneys overall healthy. Aim for about 1 cup or roughly 140 grams of fresh blueberries daily. Frozen blueberries seem good enough too. Add them solo to Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, blend them into a smoothie, or mix them into oats overnight and eat them for breakfast. Fruit number 3, pomegranates. Pomegranates contain a special type of antioxidant and a polyphenol called resveratrol. Various studies connect higher polyphenol intake with lower markers of oxidative stress and inflammation. Again, managing these mechanisms is considered important for many aspects of health, kidneys included. Some interesting clinical findings also show that regular pomegranate juice consumption can stabilize key biomarkers of kidney function in those with diabetes-related kidney disease, also known as diabetic nephropathy. Moreover, according to a 2012 study, daily pomegranate juice consumption for 3 months in hemodialysis, patients significantly reduced inflammatory markers by as much as 25% and improved antioxidant status. Pomegranates also provide vitamin C, vitamin K, and small amounts of other key minerals like potassium and magnesium, which may further support your kidneys and overall health. Aim for about half to 1 whole pomegranate daily, which equals roughly 120 to 235 grams. But remember that while these 3 fruits stand out as exceptional options, they're just part of the diet. Always pair a balanced diet with healthy lifestyle factors like staying well hydrated, managing chronic conditions, avoiding smoking, and controlling weight. And be sure to consult your doctor about dietary changes if you have kidney disease or any other pre-existing conditions and are taking medications. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.